Okay. Yeah, and that's just enough room for the bees to go inside your house and whatever else. Forget about that screen. That's a waste of time. Yeah, great job. Great job. Still looks like shit. Trash all around it. Let's see if the front door's still open. Oh yeah. Screen door too. Oh, he's actually using sheetrock. Normally this is what he does. He just uses flooring. Look at this. This is the other side of that window I showed you that the bees are going to come in. Insulation? Are you serious? But this doesn't look very good. This looks terrible. What's this? Hey, man. I guess if you're making... Yeah, another one. If you're making only $10,000 a year, this is acceptable. I think that's my power wire coming down my house. That's going to be your bathroom. And your shower. A little bit limited space. Hey, you get a plug right there. Or it might be a light switch. So you put some flooring down. That's where the light's going to be. I don't know how he's going to set this up. I mean, unless he makes the ceiling along the rafters here. I can see that. But he's still got a lot of gaps to fill. And none of this equipment here looks like it's going to work. Especially that right there. Hey, hook up your own power. Look at that, man. On that rotten old wood right there. Screw it right on in. Hook it up to the light there. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Yeah, you see it? Goes all the way around. That's where the power comes from. We don't believe in individual circuits. Oh, we're setting up that breaker box. He's trying, but really? I guess this is the bathroom sink. Yeah. This whole area is your bathroom. That's all you get. So you get to sleep in there. And I guess you get to watch TV in here. And you get this little space right here. I guess this is your little space for the computer. But yeah, really, you see that light going through there? I don't think so. I couldn't do it. I mean, look right here. I couldn't do it. No, it's a nightmare. No. What is this guy thinking? This is some real craftsmanship here. I'm telling you. It's a shit shack, just like I called it before in my other videos of the beginnings of it. It's a pile of shit. Hey, you might rent it out for $400 a month. You never know. Doesn't that look lovely? Get another last look at it. Yeah, that's the way to look in 2020 right there, baby. Look at that. Look at that luscious look of your house and what it's gonna look like. I couldn't do it. I just couldn't do it. There's no way. There's no way I could do that. I feel sorry for whoever rents it in the future.